In front of me is OnePlus Open, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then use those three dots at the top right one. Select settings and adjust all of those under alarms however you want to. When you finished, go back. And to create new alarm, use this plus at the bottom. Then set tap and away. When you finished, click on one of those options, Think Once, Work Days or Custom. If you want to select Custom, click on days of the week that you wish to set up. If you want to select work days, do exactly the same for individual days. Then hit OK. Either way, when you're ready, you can click on alarm name and type in wherever you want to. Then choose snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. You can also turn it off or on thanks to this switcher next to it. Go back, tap on ringtone and vibration, and to adjust vibration settings, click on vibration section at the top. Then tap on one of those patterns. Disable vibration by tapping on no vibration or synchronize it with ringtone by clicking on first option at the top. Go back, click on one of those system themes to apply a perfect sound, or even tap on Spotify to log into your account and use music from it. You can also select on this device and tap on any song from your smartphone to set it up. Wherever you decided, when you finished, go back and to save your alarm, click Done at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To make some changes, tap on it, change wherever you want to, and click on Done. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it and tap on one of the available options. To delete it, just hold it and click Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!